We were here working, writing. Dave was doing his pre-production work, and Rodney linked me, Killer linked me and said, "Walk up on the road tonight." We went on the road, just partying. When I got back in, probably 4:30, I saw Dave still in the same area that he was in the house, just making beats. And probably I went upstairs, sleep for like 3-4 hours, because I never get more than 3.5 hours, 4 hours sleep, never ever. That's been my life ever since, you know what I mean? I came downstairs for some porridge, and Dave just said, "Yo, I have this melody and I think it's Dexta Daps. It sounds like Dexta Daps, the melody, everything." And that's how Slow Motion came about. We reached out to Dexta, came in the studio, and the vocal, professional he is, you know what I mean? It's a different level. I don't think like the world understand the level that Dexta Daps is really at, you know what I mean? Wait, me have to say this to you, Capo. You have to really understand this. It's like a lot of people might hear Dex and him do him sing chase stuff them and him do things just to make him females them feel good. But when you're in the studio and realize the level, if you listen Slow Motion and listen to the range where him have and where it can go, him not even tap into quarter of him true talent as yet. You know what I mean? And I'm speaking from a fan point of view. I'm not just speaking as an artist. Like, me in the studio, and even if I wasn't a fan, that night in the studio, watching him and Dave Kelly work, and how professionally him taking
close. Listen, I said it to Dave earlier on that I thought that Dexta, no disrespect, gentlemen, you think him steal the song.
No, it's Dexta's song. I'm telling you.
The man just come
him go on with himself.
Hold on.
So, before we go on, big ups to our sponsors, Gumbo. Thank you for partnering with this event. Dexta, you were sleeping, hanging out, chilling, and the phone ring, and somebody said, "Dave Kelly this." I said, "Come on from my phone, man." Or, I don't say,
Dave, take the song.
Dave, take the song.
Yeah.
Oh, so give it up for Dave Kelly then, because Dexta said Dave Kelly take the song.
But you got a phone call, and what happened, Dexta?
So I get a phone call, and it just seemed, the whole thing just seemed attractive to me. You know what I mean? Because a tree legend, they on the phone one time, convinced me to do something great. Now me that be a stupid looking youth for don't be involved, don't it? I like that. Right? So I just look upon it and say, you know what? Do something great with your life next time. You know what I mean? Because I look upon it as a great opportunity, as well as I know say me I contribute where me can.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Me I put in work, but me also look upon it as a great opportunity to be a part of someone legendary. You know what I mean? And Bounty Killer, I just speak about this man differently. This man mean a lot to my career, you know what I mean? Alright. We just want to beg on 5 minutes to say this. Me and Bounty Killer never have a song until recently. And the way I feel about that is I never did need to do a song with him to learn anything. This is what this man teach me, and it responds to my career up to this day. You understand what I say? And when time me they run him apart, and that principle that me use and apply to life reaches upon me reach right now. Enough people don't know, but I just want to say it. Give a man them blows not roses no more.
So, So Dave Kelly working on a beat, an idea sparked, and naturally, Rodney, hear this. Then what happened?
Well, as we see in the music recently, the ladies has not been attended to.
All right.
And we decided that we're gonna do a song to get men and women to interact. Because dancehall is a rubber dub thing, you know. A rubber dub, then it turn dancehall. And then the rubber dub come out of the dancehall. And the girls them separate and the man them separate, and then we decided we want a song to get men and women to gyrate on each other. Yes. And we said Dexta is a young act that came and make it his point of duty to tend to the ladies expensively. So we decided we want him to hook the ladies. Do the hook, Dexta. Hook them better. Hook them. So when slow motion came about, we decided we want a young act to sing the hook, and who could do it better than Dexta. So we sent for the ladies' man. We dropped the ladies' band. And slow motion is more than just slow motion, it's a lot of motion. So you got to deal with the ladies slow. So more time we see the girl them have a rifle walk and a foot plate. The girl them have them own plate. They can play how I play, but them have them own play. More than 4 play. The whole day, all play, all in. So the veteran, the maestro, the legend said we are slowing down things. Things just getting out of hand, moving too fast. Slow motion. And that's where we are. Slowly but surely. Yes, whiz. So just watch the pace. Slow motion.